Yep. Ayan, salamat. It's a unicorn. Thank you so much.
Ano nangyari na to?
Gusto niyo bang makuha to sa souvenir?
Char.
Yeah, kung gusto niyo makuha to sa souvenir, thank you so much.
Pero imposible kasi may
Ano
letter.
pangalan ng unicorn?
May letter T, may ano. Paano yun?
Hindi ako mali. Anyway, so ganito na gawin natin. So, do you want to have this as a souvenir? Kasi,
Yes!
diba? Pero, you need to open the padlock. Diba?
Ayun lang.
If you can open the padlock, I can give this to you as a souvenir. Pero ganito gagawin natin. I've been playing this game for quite some time already. Hindi ako paparing matalo dahil mahalong stuffed toy. So I'll be using some magic or mental powers to influence your decision making so that I will always win. You will never get a stuffed toy from me. Paano gawin natin? So I have here 4 different passwords. Sino pwede mag-open? Okay, here, sir. Try natin si sir. Thank you so much. Yes. So I have here 4 different passwords. Ayan, can you get all the papers? Apat siya? Yeah. Yan, ilan siya? Apat siya. Don't open it yet. Ilan yan? Nothing inside. Ilan siya? 4. So ganito gawin natin. If you can open this, sa'yo na to. You can get 3 and give me 1. So ibig sabihin, you have 75% of opening this. I only have 25%. I only have 25%, tama? So choose 3. Akin isa lang. So you will have 75%. I only have 25%. Tama? Yeah. Yan yung sa akin. Okay. Sure ka dito? Do you wanna change your mind? Sige. You open using 1 password from the piece of paper. Yeah. Sige. Pag mabuksan mo sa'yo na. Sige. What's the password there? It's 12893. Sige, try the 12893. If you can open it, sa'yo na yan. 12893. So, this is not working. Sige, you still have 2 more. Dalawa pa. 2 more chances to open it. Sige, dalawa pa. 36541. Ayaw pa rin? So this is not working. Okay, ito gawin natin. So tatlo na kami, tama? You have 1 paper, I also have 1 paper. So ibig sabihin, tumaas na yung chances kung bumaba yung sa'yo. You have 50% sa akin. 1-on-1 na to. Diba? Most of the time, they can open this kasi they are switching the last paper with me. Do you want to switch papers? You're going to stick with that paper o kukunin mo yung binigay mo kanina? You're sticking with that? Sige, try opening it. Yeah. Last chance. Switch tayo.